previous video we were able to display the individual customer data, like the orders placed by the customer and total number of orders placed by the customer, everything we displayed. So if you go to the respective link customer/1 customer/2, we were able to get the individual users data. That individual pages we would like to create as a URL and place it in dashboard.html page. So here, so this is the dashboard.html. So we have name and age already given. Before that, we will add one more td tag. Here we would like to give a link to the individual customer pages, so that we would like to do by using hrefs, and I'll mention the link later. So we have, so I'll call this as view, so it will be displayed as view. So it will go to the respective link which is placed in this hyperlink. So we already know how to give access or give the hyperlinks. So it is mentioning as URL, and each time you are getting a customer from the customers, this is the total number of customers which has been passed from views. So from using the context dictionary, we were able to pass all the customers data, and we are accessing through this variable customers, and this customers contain all customers data. So we are running using template tags in each individual customer, and we are trying to give a link where individual data can be accessed, individual customer data can be accessed. So here, so place customer, and also give the customer ID, because each page is we need to mention the ID also. So customer dot id. So now once we do this, just save it, and here you could see the result. So let's just quickly go to the link, the output, and see what you can see. So here you can see clearly view. So we need to also change the heading. So in the heading we have only two, so now let me also add one more. So call this as URL, and save it, and now you go back and you refresh it. You have all the three. We can style it and we can make it much more better, but basically when you click on this, you go to this page. So maybe you could place a dashboard or a home link here so that you can get back wherever you want, or maybe we could even extend the, so we can extend it to each individual customer page. So what we'll do is we'll just place this, we'll extend the base.html into customer.html, so that we get the same styling of what we have defined in base.html. So let me place this in the bottom. So save it, and now you can go back and you can render it. You can see the nav bar and everything is displayed. So here you can see the styling has also changed. Now you can click on this. So when you click on the second user, it goes back and displays the second user's data. So in this way you are now able to have each individual user's orders and how many orders they have placed. So what we'll do now, we'll go to the admin page and add few more, and see how we could see the changes here. So go to the admin page. So this is the customers. So here let me add few more customers. So say some Ramu, say 43, say r@gmail.com. Save it, and say one more Raju, say 34, say r@gmail.com, and save it. So you are having, say Sita, say 54, email www@gmail.com. So you add some random data and you save it, and you also create orders. So let us say you also add few more objects here. For example, say bench, I would like to add, say 99, say it's indoor, it's used for interior, kitchen, and this is a multi option, so you can choose and save it, and add few more products, say a laptop, and a price, say, and you can say it indoor, you can say it is interior, and maybe sports, and you can save it. So in this way we have added few more of products. So you can create few orders by each individual user. Say, let me say each Ramu has asked for bench, and he has, it is an out of delivery. And also you can say Raju has asked for ball, and it is delivered. And also Sita has asked for pasta, and it is also for out of delivery. So in this way we have created few orders. Maybe you can also, yeah. So now once I have changed this in the database, so let us now see automatically how we can see the changes reflected here. So let's go back to our normal data. So if you see here, let me just render this page once again. So let me just go back here and do Control C and Python manage.py run server, and go to this link, and you can click on this dashboard. You can see all the users are reflected here. So I want to go and see the orders. So she ordered pasta, number of orders by Sita 1. So go back to dashboard, Raju 1, Ramu bench 1. So if you go to Sandeep, there are 2 orders. So this is how we can see the individual orders person. So you can go back to your home page, dashboard, products. So that's how we can make it. So in the next video, what we are going to see is, once we have these individual pages, how do you create, rather than going to admin panel and add the customers, products, orders, is there a possibility to create and delete and update the data, or update the customer and the products data from URL, from the output, rather than going to the admin panel? So that is what we are going to see. We call it as CRUD, create, update and delete operations. So in the next video we are going to see the CRUD operations.